Click on the link below to get price. The two-seater electric bike with a 48V 20AH large removable battery and a 1300W peak motor is a remarkable addition to the realm of electric vehicles, offering a perfect blend of power, comfort, and practicality. Right out of the box, the build quality stands out, with a robust frame that feels incredibly sturdy, making it a reliable option for both urban commuting and leisurely rides through the countryside. One of the most impressive features is its powerful 1300W peak motor. This motor provides smooth acceleration and allows the bike to tackle inclines with ease. The ability to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour makes it an excellent choice for those who value efficiency without sacrificing enjoyment. The bike handles beautifully, featuring responsive brakes that ensure safety even at higher speeds. Equipped with a large 48V 20AH battery, this electric bike delivers a substantial range on a single charge up to 60 miles, depending on rider weight and terrain. The removable battery adds convenience, allowing users to charge it indoors or swap it out for extended trips. The battery placement is well thought out, ensuring it does not interfere with the bike's balance. The electric bike comfortably accommodates two riders, making it ideal for couples or friends who want to share the experience. The cushioned seating and ergonomic handlebars contribute to an enjoyable ride, while the adjustable seats cater to different heights, ensuring everyone can find their perfect fit. One downside is the bike's weight, which may be cumbersome for some when maneuvering or lifting. Additionally, the assembly process can be complex and may require some mechanical knowledge to ensure everything is set up correctly. Overall, this electric bike combines power, range, and comfort, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to invest in a quality two-seater electric vehicle. Whether for daily commutes or weekend adventures, it promises an exhilarating ride that won't disappoint.